We are trying to find the reduction formula for integration cos to the power nx dx, or integration 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx dx, where n being any positive integer greater than 1. So I take here in equal to integration cos to the power nx dx. Then I have written this cos to the power nx dx can be written as this. Okay, I'm separating this one, so we get this. Then I'll try to apply the integration by parts. So I use this one as the first function, this I take as the second function, and we apply the integration by parts here. So we integration, of course, we get sine here, so we differentiate, so we get n minus 1 cos to the power n minus 2x. Differentiation, of course, is sine, minus sine x, so we get here minus sine x. And integration of cos x is sine x, so we get here sine x dx. So this minus into minus we get plus, so sine into sine we get sine squared x, so we get here sine squared x. So using the identity, we can replace this sine squared x with 1 minus cos squared x. Then you multiply this one in this way. Okay, so we are multiplying this. So here we get the power. We can use the exponent law here. So if we use the exponent law here, so we get n minus 2 plus 2, so that is n. So we get integration cos nx dx, so that is nothing but in. So I'm replacing this with in, so we get here in. So this side also we have in. Okay, this side also we have in. So we have here in, so replace this, so bring this one to this side, we get plus. So we get this thing we have here. I have bring this one to this side, we get here plus. So in I can take common, so I get this. Then here we get nin, so divide throughout this line with n, so we get this. So this is the reduction formula for integration cos to the power n x dx. Okay, and for this, now we have already reduced the reduction formula for integration cos to the power nx, so we just apply the limit here, so we get this 0 to pi by 2. Now when you put pi by 2, this cos n minus 1 x, this part will become contribute you 0, so the whole thing will be 0. And if you take 0, then this part will contribute you 0, so the whole thing will be 0. So this part, by applying the limit, will contribute you 0, so we get here 0 plus n minus 1 by n j n minus 2. So this is the reduction formula for this. Okay, now we have this, so we have 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 6x dx. Okay, so we have 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 6x dx, so we are applying this formula. So we have 6 minus 1 by 6, here I have written I, so I 6 minus 2, so we get 4. Okay, then again n is 4 now, so apply the same formula, so 4 minus 1 by 4, I 4 minus 2, here n become 2. Now again apply the formula, so if you apply the formula, we get 2 minus 1 by 2, I 2 minus 2, we get 0. Now n become 0, so you replace with cos to the power 0 x dx, so this is 0, so anything to the power 0 is 1, so cos x to the power 0 is 1, so this will be 1 dx. So we have integrating dx, so if we integrate dx, we get x. So after that, we try to apply the limit here. So if you apply the limit, we get pi by 2 minus 0, so that why we get the answer as 5 pi by pi divided by 32. So the value of this integration is 5 pi by 32. Thank you.